Additive manufacturing has forever changed how we design, make, and deliver things, especially those things we need the most. Unfortunately, for the technicians on the front line of this industry, the tools we use are holding us back.
These are extraordinary times, and we face an extraordinary challenge.
Dyndrite provides a foundation for building new tools, tools with the power to tackle our most daunting challenges, tools that give us the freedom to think beyond the status quo, and tools that provide control over the entire process, to print reliably and repeatably. Dyndrite is the new foundation for delivering solutions that weave together into a dynamic digital nervous system, a system that brings new capabilities and new scale to the digital manufacturing industry. We are only as good as the tools we use. It's time those tools got an upgrade. Dyndrite, delivering the future of additive manufacturing today.